Hi, this is Beth Perry from the Swilley Library, and today we want to talk about the 5 types of resources that you find in the Atla database. If you go to our main library webpage, libraries.mercer.edu, and then we're going to go down to this link, Databases A to Z, and click on that. And then we're just going to scroll down till we get to Atla Religion Database. So here we are. So I'm just going to click there. And this takes us into the database, and this is the advanced search with the 3 search boxes. So let's say we're looking for the Sermon on the Mount. I'm going to select that and then click on search. And I see here that I have 1,579 results. So the first one says it's an article. So we know that's from a journal. And the second one says peer-reviewed journal. So this is also an article, but it is peer-reviewed, whereas this first one is not peer-reviewed. So those are 2 of the types that we find in this database, the peer-reviewed articles and the ones that are not peer-reviewed. So now I'm going to go up to this button that says All Filters. And then over here on the right, I'm going to select Source Types. And it shows me that there are also book reviews. When it says reviews, that means it's a book review. There are also essays, which are chapters in books, and those can also be peer-reviewed. And then there are books. So I want to show you how to find the essays. So those are the other 3 types of resources in this database: the book reviews, the essays, and then books. So let's look at finding an essay. So I'm going to click on that box and then click Apply. Okay, so this first one, notice that it is also peer-reviewed, and it says it's a book. And I'm going to click on this title here so we can see this record a little bit easier. So we see the title, Augustine on the Sermon on the Mount, Charity and Just War. That is the title of the essay or the chapter in the book. And then it says published in the Church and Her Scriptures, Essays in Honor of Patrick J. Harton. So that is the book title that the essay, Augustine on the Sermon on the Mount, appears in. So that's how you would find the essay, is to see if we have the book, the Church and Her Scriptures, and then you can use this Find Full Text to see if we have that book. Now let me go back to results, and let's say I'm done looking at the essays. I want to go back up here to where it says All Filters, because they have what they call sticky filters. So notice it has this blue dot here. So I go over here, and this filter for essays is selected. So I don't want that anymore. I want to get back to the full list of results. So I'm going to deselect the essays and click on Apply. And I'm back here to my 1,579 results.